Hello guys, welcome to Spring and Hibernate tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about setter injection with annotation and auto wiring. Setter injection with annotation and auto wiring. In the previous tutorial, we have learned constructor injection with annotation and auto wiring. And now we are going to see setter injection with annotation and auto wiring. Go to the tenniscoach.java, and here first of all we are going to comment this constructor injection. Now I'm just creating a default constructor. Public tennis coach public tennis coach, and it is the default constructor, and I'm just keeping a diagnostic message inside this default constructor. SYSO within double quotes, tennis coach. So here from the default constructor, from the default constructor. So now we are going to create the setter injection. Setter, I'm writing it in a comment. Define a setter method. Define a setter method. So here public void set fortune service, that is a dependency. Public void set fortune service. Within the argument section, we are passing the dependency, that is fortune service. So the name of the variable, the fortune service. Okay. So here we are just initializing it for our private field, that is fortune service is equal to the fortune service. And here as well, I'm keeping a diagnostic message, that is tennis coach inside set fortune service method. Inside set fortune service method. And this one we are declaring it by using @auto wired. @auto wired. So we are configuring this dependency injection with @auto_word. We are configuring this dependency, that is dependency injection. We are configuring this dependency injection with @auto_word. So we are guiding the spring. We are guiding the spring that you know, it should auto-wire this dependency. We are guiding this. We are guiding Spring framework to auto-wire this dependency, and Spring will look for any class that implements Fortune service. Spring will look for any class that implements Fortune service. So in this case, the implementation of Fortune service, that is Happy Fortune service, right? @component is there, and here as well we have @component. Come to the driver class, annotation demo app.java. Now you can just check it out. Right click, run as Java application. In this case, we are going to test setter injection. Okay, setter injection with annotation and auto wiring. Same result we are getting as of the previous tutorial. The previous tutorial as well, we were getting two messages, that is these two: practice your backhand volley and today is your lucky day. And extra we are getting two diagnostic message that we have kept in this tutorial, that is from the default constructor and inside set fortune service method from the tennis coach. So what happens if I delete the default constructor that we have seen in the previous tutorial as well? Let me comment it out in this tutorial and let's see what happens. So here I'm just commenting it out, the default constructor or no argument constructor. It is we can consider it as no argument constructor. Come to the annotation demo app. Right click, run as Java application. So here we have kept this default or no argument constructor for just to get the diagnostic message that it is you know, it is creating an object. It has found this tennis coach and it is creating an object for this tennis coach. So while it is creating an object, it is invoking this constructor, and we are getting the message that tennis coach from the default constructor. To get the diagnostic message, to simply get the diagnostic message, we have kept this default or no argument. We should say no argument constructor. By default in Java, there will be a default constructor. Okay, whether we give it or not, whether we give it the um, constructor that without arguments, whether we give it or not, okay, there will be a default constructor. If we are giving like this without any arguments, okay, this is the no argument constructor. In this case, the Java compiler won't be keeping any constructor with no argument. Default constructor will not be placed in that case. In this case, that is, we have kept ourselves explicitly the no argument constructor. If you are not keeping this also in this case, no problem. Okay, to just get the diagnostic message, we are using this no argument constructor. Come to the annotation demo app.java, right click, run as Java application. We will get the output that is from the default constructor, and inside set fortune service method, that is the dependency injection. Okay, that is the code section where it is happening, the dependency injection auto with auto wire annotation, and we are getting the message from the get a daily workout and get a daily fortune. So this is it for this setter injection with annotation and auto wiring. As of the development process, it is only of two steps, that is to create setter method in our class for injections, and second one, configure the dependency injection with by using auto wire annotation. Configure the dependency injection with the auto wire annotation. In this tennis coach itself, um, we have accomplished these two development process, that is to keep the set fortune service method for dependency injection, and we have kept this auto wired. Basically, why it is auto wiring, that is basically why it is auto wired, that is to we are configuring this dependency injection. Okay, that is we are configuring this dependency injection by using auto wired. So this is it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you.